2015年4月19日、メリーランド州クリントンに住む13歳の少年、マーカス・マコイ君は目を覚ましてすぐに非常事態に気がつきました。なんと、自分と妹の寝室に煙が充満し、辺りが真っ暗になっていたのです。少年はすぐに携帯電話で通報をしました。
Prince George's County 911 Center, what is the location of the emergency?
I think my parents are asleep, but the house is really smoky.
Okay, if it's safe to do so, take the phone with you, leave the house. What's the whole address? Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
I don't know. I was asleep and it's smoky.
Okay, do you see flames or just smoke?
No, it's dark.
It's dark, okay. So what type of building is involved?
It's a house. It's a blue house.
Okay, how many floors or stories are there?
Please hurry.
Okay, we have help on the way. Is anyone trapped in the building?
Huh?
Is anyone trapped inside?
I'm not sure.
Okay, are you inside right now?
Yes.
Okay, how many people are in the house with you?
My stepfather is alone.
Okay, can you take the phone? I need you to go outside if it's safe to do so.
I can't. It's hot in the hallway.
Okay, okay? Stay on the phone with me, okay?
Yes. Olivia, you okay? No.
How many people are trapped inside?
I'm not sure.
Okay, fine. Exactly where are you located?
In the top room in the right. All the way upstairs, all the way right.
Okay, I'm sending the fire department to help you now. Stay in the line. I'll tell you exactly what to do next. Is anyone injured?
I'm not sure.
It's okay. It's okay. If it's safe to do so, stay low to the floor. Close the door.
I can't breathe.
Stay low to the floor. Close the door, okay? Cover the cracks of the door with wet cloths, towels, cloths, drapes, or anything else that's readily available. Cover the air vents if needed, and do not break any windows. If air is needed, open the window just enough to breathe.
You didn't open the window?
Yeah, just enough to breathe, okay? Make yourself known to the firefighters. When they arrive, wave, call out to them, yell for help. How many people are in the room with you?
My little sister.
Okay, so is this you two?
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 13.
How old is your little sister?
She's 9.
Okay, who else is in the house?
I got my mom, my stepfather, and my older brother in the basement. Mom, you okay?
Just stay in the room, okay? If you can't leave, stay in the room.
You say cover up the air vents?
Yeah, cover up the air vents. Make sure you close the door.
I closed the door.
Okay, close the doors. Cover the cracks of the door with wet cloths, towels, cloths, drapes, anything else that's readily available, okay? And cover the air vents.
Can you open the window?
Yeah, you can open the window just enough to breathe, okay? You guys are doing great, okay? Are you still in the room?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, yes. Stop. Please don't say that.
Okay. So when the firefighters come in the house, how do they get to your room? Marcus?
I called people already.
Marcus?
I called people already.
Who are you talking to?
My mom and my stepfather.
Okay, where are they?
Olivia, stop, please.
Marcus, where are they at?
They're in the hallway.
Okay, are they able to get out?
I'm not sure. Mom! Can you do it? I don't know. My dog, too.
Okay, guys.
I guess I'm not worried about my dog yet.
Okay, right now we have firefighters on the way. I need you to tell me, if the firefighters came to the front door, how would they get to you in the room?
What do you mean?
Okay, so, if we came to the front door and I needed to find you, how would I get to you? Would I go upstairs? How would I get to you?
Go up the steps, right in the back hallway.
So up the steps, and then do I turn right?
Yes.
So I turn right, and then how many doors is your room that you're in?
How many doors?
Yeah, like, so if I went up the steps and I turned right, and where would your door
it's the
be?
back door to the right. Hey, Mom! I called firefighters.
You guys are doing a great job, okay? Is that door closed?
Yes.
Okay. Well, do you know why your family is still in the house?
No.
Okay.
If you could get, I tell them if they can get out, get out.
Yeah, tell them if they're able to get out, to get out. You guys stay in the room if you can't get out.
If you get out, get out. Aaliyah, please stay in here, please.
You guys are doing great, okay? Just stay low to the floor.
Window, man.
Okay. Is there any other windows in that room?
It's too hot.
The window's too hot?
No, it's like hot when I get up.
Okay, then stay low to the floor. Just tell your little sister to stay low to the floor too, okay?
Aaliyah, stay low to the floor.
And that's 9.
Aaliyah, where are you?
Yeah,
Come over here.
Hold her hand, okay? Stay right with her.
Come here, Aaliyah.
You're doing a great job, okay?
Get right here. Oh, stay right here. Breathe. But don't breathe. Close your eyes, too.
Is there any way you can use your hand to reach up to the window without sitting up?
It's locked.
It's locked at the top?
Yes.
You're doing a great job. Just stay on the phone with me, okay?
Yes. Ooh. They're coming, Aaliyah. Okay.
I'm showing firefighters in the area, okay? Just stay low to the ground, okay?
Ma!
Is your window to the front of the house or to the back of the house?
The front. The top right one.
Okay. So it's to the front of the house?
Huh?
It's to the front of the house?
Yes, ma'am.
You guys are doing great. Just stay low to the ground, okay?
Yes, ma'am. It's hot. Can you stop?
When you call for your mom, does she answer you?
No.
Okay, then maybe she already made it outside. Okay.
I hope so.
Okay, you guys are doing great. Okay, what's your little sister's name? What's your little sister's name?
Aaliyah.
Aaliyah, okay. You and Aaliyah just stay low to the ground. You guys are doing great, okay?
Okay.
If at any chance, if you're able to do so, if it's not too hot, go ahead and unlock that window, okay?
I can't.
It's okay. If it happens, if it starts to get a little less hot, just go ahead and try to do that if you're able to.
I can't.
Okay, that's okay.
Come on, man. They're coming.
And your window's to the front of the house, correct?
Yeah. Oh, my God. I mean, it's okay. We're right here.
Okay, yep, keep yelling to them.
We're right here.
And that's the firefighters?
They broke the window. Yeah.
Did they break the
right here.
Okay, they broke the right window, correct?
No, they're going to the next one.
Okay, hold on. They broke the wrong window?
Yes.
Okay. How far is that window away from yours?
It's the very next one to the right.
Okay. Let me know when they're at your window. Are they at your window? Marcus, is that your window? Is that your window, right? Marcus. Marcus.
Right here! Right here! Come on. Good job, man. Good job. Get up. Here, buddy. I got him. Anybody else in there? Another one in there. I think he's going to be okay.
火災当時、家には母親のボニーさん、マーカス君、妹のアリアちゃんの3人がいました。いち早く火事に気がついたボニーさんは避難できたのですが、子供たちを助けに戻るには危険すぎる状態でした。少年の冷静な対応のおかげで、家族、みんなが助かりました。